Hey everyone, it's Pam, and I'm here. I'm going to show you a couple things today. There's a Canva new feature that is being very quiet, and I'm not quite sure why Canva is not blasting this all over, but I know it's going to help a lot of people. It's kind of like, I don't know, like a reusable block of some sort. And yeah, I'm loving this, and I can see it saving a lot of times. Guys, I want you guys to kind of think about your promos, your product, your mock-ups, stuff like that. This is pretty cool. You ready? I'm going to use this first one as the first page, obviously. I have three different promos that I use. One that, and then Facebook, and then Instagram. This one has new, and they're for new products. New product, 30-day journal, and then I say what it is. I probably should bring that up a little bit. We can do that. Let's see here. That will stay the same. I think I'll bring this. I'm just trying to get it ready for. They're gonna have to say the same thing. Accountability for. Actually, it's I'm just going to keep it as is because I'm just going to show the process. All right. Beautiful. This first one right here, this would always change. Like every time I change this promo, this will be different. I am going to click over here, and I am going to click on the three dots. Sorry, over here. What? Three dots. Create component. Right? All right. And then I'm going to name this, and it is product cover. You can call it whatever you want. And we'll do the save to brand another time. I just want to show you this. All right. I know. Oh, not the cover. Product name is what I should have called it. Goodness gracious. I'm looking at something else. Here we go. We can change it. Product name. All right. Product name. And then this one we will be changing to. So I'm going to get that. Create component. I'm just going to put product because not all of them will be journal covers. All right. We have the name that, oh, and let's move this forward. And then the price. We are going to create a, for that too. Price tag, beautiful. All right. So and then this, three dots. Right. So I have four different components, and they're all on here, right? Now, we have to set it up from this first one, all right? Now, you can keep these side ones in if you want. You will just have to change them out unless you, yeah, because my other ones don't have it. I am going to just go ahead and, if I had a journal, I can put them back, right? We're just going to delete these for now. Just we can do that. And, maybe I'll add some extra stuff over here. All right. So what I need to do is transfer these items to the next page. I know this is all the way set up, but you're going to have to just do this one time. This is what we're going to do. We're going to copy. We're going to go over here. We're going to delete this. and paste. There we go. And then go back over here to the first one. And then this one, we are going to copy, go over here. Oh, I should be doing the other one too. That didn't do it. Yeah, hold on. Did it that time. All right, and then we'll go over here, this out. And then we can do that. We're taking everything from the first page that we connected to that. Let's see here. We can probably put okay, and then this 3 dots, copy, right? And then we're going to have to take this out, all of it. I want the shadow. Okay. It's okay. I'm going to grab the shadow no matter what. Okay, and then this can be brought forward for right now. Oh, actually, not going to worry about that because I need to bring it over. So, and then we need to take that out, paste, right? Let's see here. We're going to try to maneuver this a little bit. This big. Put this off a little bit like that. Okay. And don't worry, we'll get everything situated in a bit. So we connected this. Oh, and we need to connect this. So copy. Okay. And we can delete that one. I'll move this down. Paste. Okay. Okay, so here are the components. Let's see if each one, yep. And components. Now, this is where the fun part is. So going over this again, you make the first one and you attach it, like you come over to 3 dots, component, and for each one, okay? Now, watch this, all right? So I am going to change this to, let's see here, magical email kit. All right, and look what it says up here. Change all. Yes. So then let's go over here. It worked. It worked. It worked. Do you see that? Do you see that? See that? All right. Do you just think if you could just do this with all kinds of them. Like, I can't wait to really like dig it because tube banners. Oh my God. Etsy, teacher pay teacher things. Okay, let's go. Let's keep going. All right, now I'm going to change this to emails to send today. Something silly like that. Change all. There we go. Now, here we go. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to grab that, and it says change all, change all. Look at change all images. And then we can change the price. Change all. And then you can also do it right over here as well. So there we go. Now, the only thing I would have to do is just kind of change the background, but you can definitely do that in all of them. Like, that's not a big deal at all. Like, it should just be able to just change it for me. Yeah, there we go. I guess I had different colors on each one. If you have the same color, then it's, a little easier. This, oh, let's see if I can change the color of that. No? Oh well, it matches my shirt, so it's all good. And then, if you want to add like you can add as many pictures as you want. So if you wanted to have those ones that we have, showing other pages, you can do that. Wasn't that cool, guys? All right. Oh. Like I said, think of ways that you can use this. I would love for you to put it in the chat below and let me know how you are going to use this. I know I'm going to be using it for promos for Etsy, promos for Teacher Pay Teacher when I do that. And like I said, just promos. And then let's see here. You could also, when you set it up, let's see if we set this up. If create component, and then it says save to BrandKit. So you can save this info to BrandKit and add it whenever you want, which is probably another video I need to do, but oh my God. All right, I'm just going to go like this. Name. And that is just graphics and create. All right. And then I bet it's, see, there it is. This is fun. All right, guys, thank you very much.